Glam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my family on YouTube, as you can see guys, today I'll be giving you guys another amazing tutorial. So guys, I hope you guys will really learn like one or two things from this video. Thank you all for your support guys. I really appreciate you all. So first guys, as you can see, I'm just applying my face primer. Then I go in with a BU blender, okay, to blend it in. So the next step guys, I'm going to be using my foundation. The foundation I'll be using today is from Zillarous, okay. So I'm just applying my foundation right now. First of all, I use a flat brush to apply the foundation all over my face. Then I go in with my BU blender. So right now guys, as you can see, I already applied my highlighter, which is from Kaale, okay, in the shade creamy beige. So right now I'm just blending in with my BU blender. Next step, I'm going to apply my contour, which is also from Kaale in shade espresso. So now I'm just going to contour my nose, like to kind of give it that tiny shape, okay. All right guys, see you later. So far, as you can see, the kind of brows that I have in this tutorial guys is different from the usual brows that I normally draw in my tutorials. This is the kind of brow that is like kind of in vogue right now. So it's that kind of brow that you just fill in with your pencil, making the brows look like you have so much hair. So but you don't really have that much hair. You just use your eye pencil to put that line to get that kind of shape. So as you can see, guys, it's not really that kind of brows that when we are looking at it, it looks so like artificial. But this one, it looks more natural. If you notice, I did not even kind of use concealer on the top to clean it. It just did down. Then we are good to go. So guys, this is the final look. I'm all ready to go to church. What you guys think? Yeah. What do you guys think about this look? I feel like actually applying lip gloss, but because of the face mask, it's no go area. So I'm just gonna go matte.
Sometimes